So let's start our today's session, strings in Python. As I have already explained to you what a string, how string is created. So I will right now show how strings can be created using single, double or triple quotes. Okay, so first let us see this string is in single quotes. This is a whole string. Okay, and I have enclosed it in single quotes. So let's see what does it give as output. As you can see, whenever if I press shift and enter, it is giving me a string, simple string. Then type of this one, definitely it is a string. Similarly, if you enclose any string within double quotes and if you want to know the type of that string, that will be also string. As you can see from here, if I press shift and enter, it is going to give me string. Again, type triple quotes. This string is in triple quotes. So if I just want to know what is the type of this triple quote string, that will be also string. So in this way, you can create a string, and not only triple single quotes, you can create string enclosed in triple double quotes. Okay. Also, any number can also be declared as a string. In that case, you have to enclose that number within quotes. So type of 9 will be definitely it is string because you have enclosed them in a quote. But if you don't enclose them in a quote, then it will be a number, normal integer. Now, there is a statement that I have written over here. This is very, very, very important. If a string already contains a single quote, then it should not be enclosed in single quotes, but it should be enclosed in double quotes. I will show you with an example. Now, also, if a string already contains a double quote, then it should not be enclosed in double quotes, but it should be enclosed in single quotes. Suppose I have written, don't go to markets today. Okay, so in this case, if you just press shift and enter, immediately it will tell you that there is an unterminated string literal detected at this thing. Why? Because in the word don't, there is a single quote, right? So, and also you are enclosing the whole string in single quotes. That is not allowed. Because the first line tells you if a string already contains a single quote, then it should not be enclosed in single quote, but it should be enclosed in double quotes. So in the next line, what I have done, I have taken the same string, but now I have enclosed it within double quotes, then shift enter. Now it's working fine. Understood? Now I will give you an example of the second line. If the string already contains a double quote, then it should not be enclosed in double quotes, but it should be enclosed in single quote. Now go to the next example. Then my mother said, go to market today. Now over here, go to market today is within double quotes. So I have to enclose this within single quotes. Now it will work. Okay. Now we will see what is string slicing and indexing. Already you know what is string indexing. Start colon stop colon step. So suppose this is a string. I want to return the fourth character. So you cannot give x4. Okay. Fourth means 0, 1, 2, 3. So you have to give x3. Okay, so remember all indexing starts from 0. So fourth means 0, 1, 2, 3. So whenever you are writing x3 and already you have declared x to be this is a string, then what should be your output? 0, 1, 2, 3. Naturally the output will be S. Okay, suppose I have created a string S equal to ABCDEFGHI. Suppose I want to return every second item from position 2 to 7. So start is 2, second index. That means 0, 1, 2 means it will start from C. It will go up to 7th. Not 7th is excluded. That means up to it will go to CE because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. But there is another catch. I have told it that you go to step equal to 2. That means first your thing will be 2. That means C. Then step 2 means you should not include D. It will be E only up to 7th. Remember. Then F will not come again because step equal to 2. Then comes G. So 7th is done already because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because 7 is excluded. So A to G, within A to G I have to extract the string from second position, that means C, And since I have specified over here step equal to 2, so it will be C, E, G. But if I don't specify any step over here, you can see, then what will happen? C, D, E, F, G, everything will come. Understood? How many steps? Step equal to 2, then you have to jump one string together. So in this way, the output will be C, E, G. So there are a lot of other things like S:4. That means start you have not give. So it will start from A. :4 means up to 4, but it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So A, B, C, D. Then again, suppose :4, :1. Then I have given everything in comment so that you can understand what is happening in this case of cell. Okay, so you just go on executing, and I will tell you that you pause the video and you do it on your own and see whether the output is matching. You open another notebook and you try to find out what should be the output. I have given you over here a lot of examples on string indexing and string slicing. So suppose I have not given anything as start, and look at this thing, S::2. But I have given a step equal to 2, but I have not given start and end. In that case, it will start from beginning, it will end at the last character, but step is 2. That means it will exclude B, then D, then F, then H. So your output will be A, C, E, G, I. So my request is that already we have discussed this indexing and slicing. So you just open up one notebook and try to see what has been already solved in my notebook and see whether these two results that you are thinking they're matching or not. So thank you so much. In my next class, I will discuss with you string functions.